Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, anyone today. You don't know, say the one and only attacking boss here. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I me say attack. Well, my people, me not drop no attack right now. But on a real level and a truthful level, my people, me highlight a story we really need to get out there, my people. Because you have a bridging writer, so right now, my people, we desperately him need help. You understand? So me, attacking boss NEWLINK, me ask the world. Me ask the world. You know what I mean? Me not just say Jamaica. Me ask the world for joining and help a bridging right now, my people. You know what I mean? People, you know, so me not cover no story or me not put out no story out there for anybody seeking help. If me not do my checks and find out, say it legit, my people. And this a real thing. You know what I mean? So a bridging and link me from couple while ago, my people. You know what I mean? And when him link me and me get the story and me do my checks, me tell him, say, yo, just go there. Make a video with the bridging, with the ombre, and forward it. At the time when he made the video, my people, there was a lot of music in the background, like a sound a play. Say it was a party nearby and thing. So from that time there, things kind of did go away where me never to hear back from him. But me I get to find out, say, in the meeting, a serious bike accident, my people. But by Jarworks, he managed to survive and him, you know what I mean, forward and good and great. Well, my people, him get to me now and him forward the video to me with this bridging who really need help, my people, in St. and Jamaica. You know what I mean? And when I see the story, my people, and I do my checks upon her, you know what I got, my people, I definitely have to give it the strength, have to push it out there and ask the world, please join in and help this bridging. For send no more or say too much, my people, me I go share this video with you, you understand, with this bridging, and you don't know, my people, then me give back my tax, you know what I mean? So check it out.
Yeah, good morning, people. Got assistant, me I beg you, everyone, each and everyone Jamaican, me I beg you look at assistant. Please and thank you.
If you want, going as well. Fast and going there. Since you're in the sleep and asleep, somebody there.
Yeah, people, me I beg you look at assistant, man. Please and thanks, me I beg you, man. You see it? I beg you look at assistant. Jamaica people, we are called upon, we are begging to try to reach out to everyone, but everyone try kind of dodgy and I want to look away. So, me I beg you please, because when I sleep right now, it's not a good condition. If you can't see it, no bed, no roof, no place that convenience for sleep and for health or nothing. See me here?
Yeah, man, there, man.
So, people, me I beg you please. So,
yeah,
people.
Since you're sick, man, with sick foot, you cut me knee. Try to dig excavation to make a preparation.
Yeah, I try to look at farming people, see them.
Yeah, man.
Look at farming, I try to.
Yeah, man, I'm big farmer in that place.
Yeah.
Fruit field, show them how long me there. Hey, I find you take me there.
Yeah, you hear people from 88 in there.
Yeah, 1988. When Gilbert blow, same month Gilbert blow me there. Matter of fact, me come get the place before Gilbert and me a clean up. So Gilbert, after Gilbert pass and me come in and I clean up, me not go back. No? In my house when down there, so?
Yeah.
I don't know me did live.
Yeah.
But too much when the rain fall, too much water and I come down, the water come out, run back and come in. So me say no, me can't turn down there, so I walk keep it and so better and come up there.
So people, we are begging you please, one assistant Jamaican, we are call out to you, we are begging you please.
Yeah, me a thank you to you.
Please, we reach out to you, try to reach out to the me and the person who me try to get to the mayor, I tell me say the mayor not there, so we are trying our best. So we are begging people, please guys, a bad condition. If you can't see it, it's a bad condition for your health and for where you must sleep and where you live. So we are begging you, please guys.
No food to eat. I have no food to eat, brother. Everything we in there, banana and plant now was bad. The breeze destroyed, so you don't know.
Thief destroy them same way too.
Yeah,
everybody just come through and just destroy him. So please people, we are begging you, please.
Something. Last night, what you call it?
Yes. So people, I beg you please, Jamaican, each and everyone we subscribe to NEWLINK, beg you support same way, guide and protect him each and every day. And Jamaican, we beg you please, the assistant, we beg you help, please. Every make a mountain, we beg you please assist him. Please, we beg you right now, him in a bad condition, can't walk so good, but you know, try to come round and try to help him. What we can do, we can do. So.
Yeah, so we are the black people. We are the chance to help each other.
So people. So people are begging you please. For an assistant. Want to help. Begging you please and thanks. Each and every one of Jamaican them are begging you please. So.
Me there, brother. Miss you, man, brother. Hold it on the house, man. Hold it on the house.
So people, please, we are begging you, please and thanks for the support and thing. Please. If I can look him a farmer same way. I don't really have the strength at this moment, but him still a try to do what he can do. So. Yeah, I walk around. So. But she are dead now, so. People sit there, but if you properly, where does it tile it? See tile it, then if you properly tile it. So people, please, we're going to phone an assistant, going to help any farmer thing that you can support him with. Please give him the strength and give him the hand. Yeah. Yeah, my battery I got dead now, so I got tap it with the so.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, as you can see and you saw in the video, this bridging of my people, this brother here, let's help him, my people. You know what I mean? Let's help Rastaman. Let's do it from our heart with Jah. You know what I mean? If you not do it from your heart, nobody do it. You see me? If you not do it from your heart, nobody do it. Because you want me to say now, a lot of people, and this are truthfully and realistically me attack, them quick to do certain things and push money upon certain things. But things like this, it's hard for them give $5. US we are talking about, Canadian we are talking about, pound we are talking about, or 1,000 Jamaican dollar to something like this. It's hard. You know what I mean? People, them ya. You do from your heart and I saw your blessings and your cup overflow. Remember, me is a charity man. Me is a man who give back a lot. Me can't tell you, my people, I saw your blessings overflow. So join in and do it for your cause. You know what I mean? Me I left the number in the description, my people. Also, me I pin it in the comment section where you can do link this virgin, my people, and him right now, my people, and do you want to do. If you want to go visit this man, you can go do your necessary check. You know what I mean? Because the virgin say he might try to reach out to TVJ, he might try to reach out to all type of people. You know what I mean? And as I can hear my people, and him just want, he feel like give up because him try. Him see him cook food and cook, you know what I mean, go feed this virgin and him do, you know what I mean, my people? Let's do something. Let's do it, my people. Let's do it. Because, you know, that's why I say politics, me not in it, you know. Me not in it. Because we never go talk about Jamaica people, progress and this and that. But we need not go there right now. Let's do this for this virgin, my people. Let's do it. Thank you all my viewers and subscribers from me and NEWLINK production and the whole team. And we are the full part, you know. Nobody feels say we not going to do full part. We are the full part. You understand? So, remember, just do something. You understand, my people? And remember to do what? Like the video, comment on the video, and do what? Share it. Share it. It's important to do what? Share it. Spread the word. Thank you all for the love and for the support, man, and for every like, every share. You don't know, one team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. And please remember, my people, follow me on all social media platforms. We are talking about Instagram, Facebook, X, TikTok, Snapchat, NEWLINK. They're everywhere and there. Make sure you follow the thing. Peace out. Blessings. I'm out. Big up.